Hello and welcome to the Judah Inquiry channel. If this is your first time, thank you for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and turn on that notification button so that you would know as I release these premium videos that would help you excel in your ICAN examination. If it's not your first time, thank you very much for always watching and engaging with my content. In this video, I will be showing you what to expect in the forthcoming May 2023 ICAN Advanced Audit Examination. So if you're a skilled student, I want you to grab a chair, take notes, pay attention, and practice what I'll be sharing with you in this video. I've done this using a trend analysis. So this forecast is based on a trend analysis of what how ICANN has been examining the questions over the years. And I've done that using three major categories as depicted in these three basic colors. So the first category, you should give premium priority to them. The next category, you should give priority. And the last category, you should pay attention. Okay, so let's dive straight in. Okay. All right. So the first category to give premium priority to is substantive procedure. Now, substantive procedure has been examined about 21 times from November 2014 down till May 2022. This is a very core topic in advanced auditing, and you want to pay attention, give premium priority to this topic. Now, in fact, you should be expecting this particular topic in 2023. It might be in May, it might be in November. You do not want to be caught unawares. So give this particular topic premium priority. The next topic is your professional ethics and code of conduct. It's been examined about 21 times, as you can see on the screen from November 2014 up to May 2022. So the same thing I said about substantive procedure would apply here. So give this premium priority. The next topic to give premium priority to is advanced planning and risk assessment. In fact, this is a core topic in advanced audit. And as you can see, it's the most examined topic about 23 times from May 2014 up till November 2022. In fact, last diet it was examined the full year, both May and November. This to tell you that this topic I can doesn't joke with it, and you should not joke with it either. So give it premium priority. Very very important. Audit planning and risk assessment. Okay. All right. So those are the topics to give premium priority to in your forthcoming examination. The next topic to give priority to, let's go to the next category. That's internal control. Internal control. It's been examined about 17 times from November 2015 to last year, also November 2022. So I wanted to give priority to internal control. Do not joke with it. The next one to give priority to is concept and assurance. Get comfortable with the concept and assurance. As you can see, the last time it was examined was November 2020. So it's not been examined in 2021 at all, not been examined in 2022 at all. You most likely would be seeing concept and assurance in your examination. In fact, it might be coming out in May diet. So I want you to give this priority. Do not joke with it. All right, so let's go to the last category. Those are the ones to pay attention to. Pay attention to obtaining an engagement. As you can see, been examined about 9 times from November 2014 up till last diet. That's November 2022. Uh, Now, it might not necessarily be examined as a full question. It might be examined as a sub question or a part of a question, but you want to be prepared. The next one is your audit finalization and reporting. Now, this is another basic topic in advanced audit, and you shouldn't joke with it either. It's been examined about 7 times from May 2015 to November 2022, as you can see. So I want you to pay attention to audit finalization and reporting. Now, once you're done paying attention to these three different major categories, once you're done, you've exhausted the questions, then you can now come and play around with the ones that have not been highlighted in this video. I hope you got that. So that's a strategy to go about this, guys. That's how to maximize this video. Once again, in this video, I've shared with you what to expect in your forthcoming ICAN 2023 May Advanced Audit Examination, and I've done this using trend analysis. So, how exactly should you use this information that I've just shared with you? It's very easy if you've not had the time to prepare, probably because you started late or you're very busy and all. This should give you direction so you know the topics to zone in on, and you won't waste time that way. Now, if you're revising, this will give you speed, so it's going to be easier for you to revise using this video. Now, so this is exactly what you should do as you watch this video. Now, for each of these categories, for the categories for those you should give premium priority to, I want you to solve about 80% of the past questions. Now, so these are the past questions. As you can see, you can you watch this video as many times as you can, so that you don't miss this information. So you only solve about 80% of the categories to give premium priority to. Solve a minimum of 50% for categories you should give priority to, and solve a minimum of 30% for the categories to pay attention to. I hope you got that. That's the way to go about this, guys. That's the way to maximize this video. Once you've done that, you should be rest assured that in this examination you would be excelling. And by excellence, I mean a minimum of 70%. That's happened before, guys. For students in my mentorship group, 70% is how I pass mark. And so the same thing should apply to you too. I'm extending that same grace to you. All right, so that's how to maximize the video. Yes. So in this video, I've done justice to the topic here. All right, so I'd like to get a feedback from you. Did you find value? Did you get value from this video? Please let me know in the comments. Your feedback is very important to me. It will let me know if to continue this series or if to stop, what to improve, or generally if it's worth your time. Please let me know in the comments. Once again, thank you very much for watching my video. If it's your first time, please do like, subscribe, and turn on that notification button. If it's not your first time, thank you for always watching. I'll see you in the next video.